Nate, you want to turn the music on for her again? Oh, Nate, that's so nice. Jack turned on the music again?
No.
That's okay, you can do it the next time. It only lasts a minute. You guys are showing her how to play with the toys? Okay. Nate will play it the next time? There you go. You did it.
Nate, show Dad.
Nate, were you guys being such good big brothers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Yeah. No.
Oops. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.